I'm Terry Tracy, owner of Tungsten Engineering, and we're here today in partnership with Valk installing their new ValkAce Plus equipment. The first thing you notice is how solid and smooth everything feels on the roof. It's clearly been designed with installers in mind. The new reinforced hook connection makes a big difference. Everything feels more secure and the rail alignment is really straightforward. It keeps everything firmly in place while you're working, so installs feel quicker and smoother, whether you're working in portrait or landscape. The ValkGrip is a standout feature for me. Being able to position the panels hands-free is a huge help on the roof where safety is paramount for the installers. You're not constantly trying to hold the panel while fixing it in place. It simplifies everything. No separate end clamps anymore. The mid clamps become universal, which makes handling the installation a lot easier. The whole system is very installer friendly. Slim rails, toolless couplers, click-on accessories, everything just works together nicely. You can tell it's a premium system. It feels strong, well engineered and properly thought through. The new ValkAce Plus has clearly been designed with installers in mind, and it makes a real difference on the roof. Faster installation, easier handling and a real solid finish result. I've been using Valk equipment now for the past 5 years and they continue to go from strength to strength with their groundbreaking ideas. Thank you to the entire team for your continued commitment to quality, safety and pushing the industry forward.